Christmas wishes. Wishing you a Christmas full of love, laughter, and festive cheer. May this Christmas bring love, warmth, and joy to your life. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Wishing you a joyful Christmas and a successful year ahead. May the spirit of Christmas bring happiness to your home. May the joy of Christmas stay with you throughout the year. May your Christmas be filled with love, laughter, and kindness. Wishing you a joyful and peaceful Christmas. Wishing you a Christmas full of love and beautiful moments. Merry Christmas! Let love and joy fill your heart today and always. Merry Christmas!